Welcome to DiscoveryMix, where the unexpected becomes unforgettable. Now that's some serious intelligence. Just look at those eyes. They say it all. Orias needed. This moment speaks for itself. Wait for it. This part is unbelievable. How can you not fall in love with that instinct? Pure brilliance. Thinking right now. Hat reaction, priceless. Each day they surprise us more and more. Well, watch closely. Something amazing is about to happen. Swear they know exactly what they're doing. 2 is what natural curiosity looks like. Only even without words, the message is clear. Did you see that? That was next level. The in moment, total heart melter. Sometimes the little things are the most magical. It's not just cute, that's genius. A mix of courage and curiosity, love it.